Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get shift lock on Roblox mobile. So what we want to do is just load up Roblox here, load up the Roblox application, and then just get into any game at all. So I'll do Pet Simulator here. So I'm just going to load up the game and I'll show you what we can do. So first I'll turn off the volume here. So I'm just gonna go into settings and I'll turn off the volume. Okay, so now let me just expand the screen here. So I'm just going to expand the screen like so. Okay, so if we want to get shift lock, then what we have to do is click on the Roblox icon here in the top left, go into settings, and then here the camera mode. So if you want to get shift lock, the closest thing that we have to shift lock here is changing the camera mode to classic. So instead of default, which is going to be follow, we have to do classic, and that's really how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.